Welcome to TechCaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your PC specs on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you can do is just open up your Windows Explorer. From here, just go to this PC. Then just right click on this PC, click on Show More Properties, and click on Properties. And from here, you can see the device specification of your computer. For example, the device name, the processor, the installed RAM, device ID, product ID. And from here, you can also see the Windows specification, which is your OS. You can see the edition minus Windows 11 Pro. You can also see the version, the install date, and the OS build as well. Another way to check your PC config is go to search and search for system information. And open this. Here you can see an extended version of your PC. You can go to components and see all the information as well. And another way to do it is go to your CMD. Just open up your CMD as administrator. Click on yes and just type system info. Just type system info without any space and hit enter. It will load your processor information and everything. There you go. Everything has been loaded here. And another way you can do is just right click on your start button. Then just go to terminal admin. Click on yes. In here, just type this command, get-computer info. Make sure you capitalize the G, C, and I and hit enter. Then just wait, it will load all the information for you. Just give it some time and there you go. And the last way you can check your PC config is by right-clicking on your taskbar and going to Task Manager. Just maximize this and then just click on this hamburger menu, go to processor. In here, you're gonna see your CPU, your memory, your disks, your Ethernet, and your GPU and everything. So basically that is how to check your PC specs on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.